Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix no sound plays after you connect your earbuds to your phone. And the first one what you can do, maybe it's a problem of the audio player, so let's say you use this one, it could be a Spotify or something else. So firstly try to restart it. We need to remove it from the cache and open it again. Now check, maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, we should also check software version for these headphones. So open the application, click on your earbuds here and then go to the settings. Right here we have update firmware, click on it and it will check for updates. Instead that I have the last version. If you haven't, just install a new one. Also what can help with this problem. Firstly, what you can do is to restart your phone. And if it didn't help you also, we should perform a hard reset for these earbuds. So go to the Bluetooth. Now put your earbuds to the charging case. And now press and hold this button at the charging case for at least 10 seconds until this LED light starts flash white 3 times rapidly. Here we go. Now you can release your finger and we need to remove it from the phone. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device. And after hard reset, it enters to prank mode automatically, so just click on it at the device list. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!